Hello and welcome to Alltricks. So friends, today we will see how to change context menu in Windows 11 and revert it back to context menu similar to Windows 10. Now what is context menu? Context menu is when you right click and that menu appears. So here I am showing in the desktop. If you see on the right click, this menu appear and click on show more, you see this new menu. This one is the older menu. It used to be there in Windows 10. It's still there in Windows 11 also, but at the back end when you click on show more button. Now this is you saw on the desktop. Now we will go and see again this on the Windows Explorer. So here on Windows Explorer, I am right clicking on my PC. If you see, these options are there and I go to show more option. We will see this old menu which is similar to what we have in Windows 10. I prefer this menu because some of the options are not there in new Windows 11 context menu. I have to go to show more and access those. Even if you add a program and say 7-zip is there, there is a direct option to extract files with 7-zip in the old context menu, which is not present in Windows 11 context menu. Now to enable this, we have to launch command prompt with admin privilege, and once you do that, you will get a user access control pop-up. Click yes, then you will see the command prompt is launched. Here we have to run this code. It is a registry addition script. When we add this registry, it will override the new menu and old menu will be displayed, and once the operation is successful, you will see this message: the operation completed successfully. And if you perform a right click now, still you won't see the changes because we need to do a restart. Let me go and restart and come back. So here I am back after a restart. If I do a right click now, you can see the same old Windows 10 style context menu, and it's easy to access. You can see in the Explorer also now it has been updated. All those things are there. So this is all about how you can change your context menu to a Windows 10 one. And if you like our video, subscribe to our channel, like our video, share with family and friends. Thank you.